Welcome to Pocket Change Coins channel, another exciting video where we dive deep into the fascinating world of rare coins. Today, we're talking about a coin that might just be hiding in your pocket change, the United States of America Liberty 1 dime coin from 1999, minted in Denver. But don't let its small size fool you, this coin has a big story and an even bigger value. Stick around until the end to find out why collectors are willing to pay a staggering $35,000 for this dime. The Liberty dime is a part of the Roosevelt dime series, which has been in circulation since 1946. It's known for its iconic design, featuring a profile of Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse side. Roosevelt was chosen to honor his role in founding the March of Dimes, an organization dedicated to eradicating polio. His portrait symbolizes strength, progress, and the fight against adversity, values deeply rooted in American history. On the reverse side, we see the torch, olive branch, and oak branch. These symbols represent liberty, peace, and strength. Together, they make the Roosevelt dime not just a piece of currency but a symbol of American ideals. But what makes the 1999 D Liberty dime so special? First, let's talk about its mint mark. The D indicates that this coin was minted in Denver, one of the most prolific mints in the United States. While billions of dimes were produced that year, certain 1999 D dimes stand out due to their exceptional rarity, quality, and errors during production. Coins with these unique traits often become the centerpiece of serious collections. Now, let's delve into the specifics of what makes this dime worth thousands of dollars. For collectors, a coin's condition is everything. A pristine 1999 D Liberty dime graded MS68 or higher is extremely rare. MS68 refers to a coin that is almost flawless under magnification. Only a handful of these high-grade coins are known to exist, making them incredibly desirable, but rarity isn't the only factor driving the value. Some 1999 D dimes also feature minting errors, such as off-center strikes or double dies. These errors occur during the coin's production process and are highly sought after by collectors who see them as unique pieces of history. An error coin in excellent condition can command an even higher price at auction. Another aspect influencing its value is its historical context. By the late 1990s, the U.S. Mint was transitioning to new technologies and designs, making this coin a part of an important era in American numismatics. This combination of rarity, condition, and historical significance has made the 1999 D Liberty dime a true collector's item. So, how much is this little coin worth today? If you're lucky enough to find a 1999 D Liberty dime in exceptional condition or with a unique error, you could be looking at a payday that will blow your mind. Collectors have paid as much as $35,000 for one of these remarkable dimes. Yes, you heard that right, $35,000 for a single dime. If you're passionate about coins or just curious about their hidden value, start checking your change and old collections. Who knows? That small, shiny dime in your drawer might be the key to unlocking a life-changing sum of money. Next coin, we're diving into a coin that you might not think twice about at first glance, the United States of America Liberty 1 dime coin from 2018, minted in Denver. While it may seem like just another dime, this particular coin has captivated collectors, and for a very good reason. Stay tuned to find out why some collectors are willing to pay an incredible $5,000 for this tiny piece of American currency. The Liberty 1 dime, more commonly known as the Roosevelt dime, has been in circulation for decades. It's a coin with a rich history and iconic design, first introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The obverse, or front, of the dime features Roosevelt's portrait, a symbol of his leadership during the Great Depression and World War II, as well as his role in eradicating polio through the March of Dimes. Flip the coin over, and you'll find the classic reverse design. A torch stands proudly in the center, flanked by an olive branch on one side and an oak branch on the other. These elements symbolize liberty, peace, and strength, timeless values that resonate deeply with the American spirit. Now, what makes the 2018 D Liberty dime so extraordinary? Let's begin with its mint mark. The D signifies that it was struck at the Denver Mint, one of the most prominent mints in the United States. While millions of dimes were produced that year, only a select few have earned the attention of serious collectors, thanks to their remarkable condition, rarity, and potential minting errors. When it comes to coin collecting, condition is everything. A 2018 D Liberty dime in flawless condition, graded as MS68 or higher, is an incredibly rare find. MS68 represents a coin that is nearly perfect, with no visible flaws even under magnification. Coins in such exceptional condition are highly sought after by collectors and can command significant premiums at auctions, but condition isn't the only factor driving the value of this coin. Some 2018 D Liberty dimes are known to feature unique minting errors. These errors, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or die cracks, occur during the production process and add an element of uniqueness to the coin. Error coins are particularly valuable because they represent rare anomalies in the minting process, making them true treasures for collectors. Another aspect that contributes to the value of the 2018 D Liberty dime is its historical context. By 2018, the U.S. Mint had begun refining its technology and processes, resulting in coins with greater precision. However, the transition also introduced occasional errors, making certain coins from this period even more significant to collectors. So, how much is this dime worth if you happen to have one in exceptional condition or with a rare minting error? Here's the moment you've been waiting for. Collectors have paid as much as $5,000 for a single 2018 D Liberty dime. That's right, $5,000 for a coin that you could easily overlook in your pocket change. Imagine finding a treasure like this hiding in plain sight. It's a reminder that every coin has a story, and some have a value that goes far beyond their face. If you're a coin enthusiast or simply curious about the potential value of your spare change, start looking closely at your dimes. You never know what you might discover. Now, we're talking about a true gem of the numismatic world, the United States of America Liberty 1 dime coin from 1967. It's a coin you might think is just another dime in your pocket, but it could actually be worth a life-changing sum. Stick with us until the end, because you'll want to know why this dime has fetched a jaw-dropping $110,000 at auctions. Let's start by taking a closer look at the history and design of this remarkable coin. The Liberty 1 dime, commonly known as the Roosevelt dime, has been a staple of U.S. currency since its introduction in 1946. This coin was designed to honor Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd President of the United States. Roosevelt's leadership during the Great Depression and World War II, as well as his involvement with the March of Dimes to combat polio, made him a fitting figure to feature on this iconic coin. On the obverse side of the 1967 Liberty dime, you'll find a detailed profile of Roosevelt, facing left. The word Liberty is boldly inscribed, along with the motto, "In God We Trust," and the year of minting. On the reverse side, the design is equally meaningful. A torch symbolizes liberty, flanked by an olive branch representing peace and an oak branch symbolizing strength. These elements make the dime more than just a piece of currency. It's a small yet powerful representation of American ideals. So, what makes the 1967 Liberty dime stand out from the billions of other dimes produced over the years? Let's break it down. First, it's important to note that 1967 was a unique year for U.S. coinage. The mid-1960s saw a significant change in the composition of coins due to a nationwide silver shortage. Before 1965, dimes were made of 90% silver, but starting in 1965, the U.S. Mint shifted to a copper-nickel composition for most coins. However, in the midst of this transition, a small number of 1,967 dimes were struck on leftover silver planchets from previous years. These rare silver dimes are incredibly valuable to collectors. Another factor that adds to the intrigue of the 1967 Liberty dime is its potential for errors. Coins from this era were struck during a period of rapid production, and errors like off-center strikes, double dies, or misaligned dies were not uncommon. Such errors create unique and highly sought-after pieces, often driving up their value significantly. Finally, condition plays a critical role in determining the value of any coin. A 1967 Liberty dime in pristine condition, graded MS-68 or higher, is exceedingly rare. Coins with such high grades are nearly flawless, with sharp details and brilliant luster that make them stand out as masterpieces of minting. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for, the incredible value of this tiny treasure. If you're fortunate enough to possess a 1967 Liberty dime struck on a silver planchet, in near-perfect condition, or with a rare minting error, its value could soar to an astonishing $110,000. That's right, $110,000 for a single dime. It's hard to believe that something so small could hold such immense value, but that's the magic of coin collecting. So, the next time you come across an old dime, don't dismiss it as just another piece of change. Take a closer look, because you might be holding a fortune in your hands. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of rare coins. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another story about coins that could change your life. Let us know in the comments if you've ever come across a unique or valuable coin. We'd love to hear your story. Until next time, happy hunting and happy collecting.